Chewy. He does not want to go on this. He does not want to go down the slide, but she's gonna do it. But she's gonna do it anyways. So Chewy. Hey, it's a Choo. Hey, Choo. Chewy. Chewy, are you ready? Yeah. Alright, I think I choose ready. So, alright. In 3, 2, 1. Woo! Okay, so I hope you guys saw that video. And yes, we are on. Yeah, we're at the playground. We still are. Just gotta get back inside and choose. You don't want to see. You want to see through that? Are doing that? But yeah, see, come on. But yeah, he is on I think 6.5. He is. Actually, his birthday is in October the 12th or the 13th. I'm pretty sure it's the 12th or the 13th. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the 12th. The days after my birthday. So right now, well, as you can see, I just stepped on the rock, I think. But yeah, we're gonna go inside. Yeah, but I think all my videos will be on Chewy for now, and then even on Chewy's birthday. But right now, I think we're gonna go back upstairs. Don't mind my shadow. I'll be recording me. Chewy right now. And Chewy just, hold on. We're back. So Chewy trying to not pull him, but he's just been about head anyways. Come on, Chewy. But yeah, we are in the shade. This is where I live. I live with my mom, my dad, my brother, and Chewy, and of course myself. Sorry with my messy hair. I did brush it out this morning. So yeah, this is my neighbor. This is my neighbor, downstairs neighbor. Chewy, come on. But yeah, so I'll keep you updated what she's doing right now. See you guys. I love you.